Today, let's learn how to reset our Apple ID password. So first of all we need to do is to charge our phone because we are already in 18%. Now I'm just joking. So head on to settings. Of course. Let's just head right on to this tutorial and click on your Apple ID account over here on the top section of the settings of your iOS device. And now over here, we have the option to change, or rather the settings to our password and security. Now click on the Password Security tab over here. Wait a few seconds, and here we have the option to change our password. Of course, since we want to change our password, click on the Change Password button right here on the top and add in your iPhone passcode. And here we have the option to change a password. It's that easy. Basically, even if you forgot your Apple ID password, it doesn't really matter because what do you need in order to reset your Apple ID? Password is just your password to your iOS device, not really the password to your Apple iCloud or Apple ID. That's basically it. This tutorial. And of course, re-enter and enter your new password, and then click on the change button over here, and you're basically done. You don't need a new, or either you don't need to remember your old password, because you don't really need your old password in order to change your current password, because all you need in order to change your old, or rather to change into a new password, is your 6-digit, or rather whatever digit iOS PIN number which you are using on your iOS device. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.